Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to find the difference of days between two given dates. For example, in this fact internet sales table, we've got due date and ship date, and we want to find out what is the if we've missed any due dates or the ship date is greater than due date. So essentially what we'll do is so I've got this file and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. You can download the file using looking at the video notes. There's a link in the video notes for the same. So let's just go here and I'll click on new column, and let's just say day difference is equal to, and we'll use the date diff function from DAX, and we'll say due date, and then we'll say ship date, and then we'll just say day and hit enter. And the negative value is good, which essentially means that we are shipping before the due date. So in this video, we've learned how to find the difference between any two dates in a DAX using a DAX function called dateDiff. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.